Ever felt overwhelmed by the multitude of graphic design tools available today? Or perhaps you've been struggling to find an all-in-one solution that can cater to all your design needs. The answer to these questions might just lie in Canva Pro, a robust, user-friendly design software that's making waves in the industry. First off, Canva Pro boasts a rich library of over 60 million premium stock images, videos, audio, and graphics. This vast repository ensures that you never run out of fresh and engaging content for your designs. Plus, with Canva Pro, you get exclusive access to hundreds of thousands of free templates that span various categories, from social media posts to presentations, infographics, and much more. Now let's talk about the convenience of Canva Pro. This software empowers you to resize your designs into any custom dimensions in a snap. It means you can effortlessly adapt your design for a Facebook post to an Instagram story or a blog banner, saving you precious time and effort. But Canva Pro isn't just about creating new designs, it also provides a seamless way to organize your work. With the Brand Kit feature, you can store and manage your brand's logos, colors, and fonts, all in one place. This makes it easier to maintain consistency across all your designs. Another standout feature of Canva Pro is the ability to collaborate with team members. You can share edit access with your team, get their feedback, make real-time changes, and ensure everyone is on the same page, all within the software. And what about those intricate designs that require a little more finesse? Canva Pro has got you covered with its advanced editing tools. From adjusting transparency and adding shadows to removing backgrounds from images, these tools give you the flexibility to refine your designs to perfection. Finally, Canva Pro offers a one-click magic resize and schedule feature. With this, you can not only resize your designs for different platforms instantly, but also schedule your social media posts right from Canva. To summarize, Canva Pro is a comprehensive design software that brings together a vast library of resources, user-friendly design and editing tools, efficient organization and collaboration features, and convenient scheduling options. It's designed to simplify your design process, enhance your productivity, and help you create stunning visuals with ease and efficiency. So if you're in search of a tool that can cater to all your design needs, Canva Pro might just be the solution you've been waiting for. It's more than just a design tool. It's a game changer in the world of graphic design.